In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Woofz account. To get started, open the Woofz app on your Android phone or iPhone, then sign into the account you want to remove. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, since this process is permanent and is meant to delete all access tied to that profile. Once you're in, tap on your profile, then open the settings menu. From here, the next option depends on the device you're using. If you're on Android, tap My Account. If you're using an iPhone, tap Manage Account Details. After that, look for the Delete Account option and select it. Woofz will usually show you some information explaining what happens when an account is deleted. Take a moment to read this carefully. This is important because deleting your account permanently removes your app data, your training progress, and your access to the account. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm that you want to permanently delete it. At this point, you may be asked to verify your identity or enter your account password. This is a normal security step to make sure the request is really coming from you. After entering the required information, confirm the deletion request again. Now wait for the confirmation message telling you that your request has been submitted. That message lets you know the process has officially started, but in some cases, the deletion may still take a little time to complete. There is one important detail to keep in mind if you have a subscription. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play, your account deletion can continue after you confirm it in the app. But if you subscribe through the Woofz website, you'll also need to contact Woofz support using their contact form to complete the process. After that, check your email for any confirmation messages related to the deletion. If you don't see a delete account option in the app, you'll need to contact Woofz support through the Contact Us form or by email and request account deletion manually. Also remember that deleting your account does not always automatically cancel recurring payments in every situation. If you have an active subscription, cancel it separately before your next billing date so you don't get charged again. Finally, wait for Woofz to finish processing the request. Once enough time has passed, try signing in again to verify that the account has been deleted successfully. If sign-in no longer works, that's a good sign the deletion has gone through.